So for this video, we'll talk about derivative of trigonometric functions. So we have here an example of y is equal to cosine of pi over 2 minus x. So we all know that the derivative of cosine u is actually negative sine u times du. So in this case, our u is pi over 2 minus x. So if we will rewrite that one, the derivative of our u, which is cosine pi over 2 minus x is equal to negative sine of our u, pi over 2 minus x, times the derivative of our u, which is pi over 2 minus x. So the answer now will be y prime is equal to, copy this one, okay, that's negative sine pi over 2 minus x times the derivative of pi over 2. So that is a constant. So that is 0. And the derivative of x is 1. However, that's negative. So the answer there is negative 1. So that's negative. So we have here negative times negative. This one, negative times negative is positive. So our final answer is y prime is equal to sine pi over 2 minus x.